So the power of the saw has been great. It never bogs down in thicker material, and I get plenty of cut time out of it. I've cut everything from 2-inch thick walnut and oak all the way down to 1/4-inch plywood and 1/4-inch HDPE, and it's handled it all spectacularly.
It'll cut through everything you want it to, but like for interior finish work, we haven't found anything where it hasn't been able to do the job.
The ability for the saw to collect over 90% of the dust has been great. It allows me to work in a homeowner's finished home, as well as keep my shop clean on a daily basis.
MDF dust, plywood dust, all that stuff isn't what you want to be breathing in every day, so just to have a reliable source of dust collection when you're cutting every day is important.
It's very important for me that a track saw makes clean, accurate cuts, and this saw has the ability to do that.
It has all the power of a corded saw with the convenience and portability of a cordless. It leaves a nice, even, and finished cut every time.
The level of which we're at for the work that we provide, the expectation's there, and we need the tools that provide that accuracy.
It has plenty of power, it cuts accurately, it's very portable and easy to use, and I can't speak highly enough of it.
Did you like that video? Did you find it helpful? Give us a like, we'd really appreciate it. If you have any other questions, leave us a comment or give us a call or send us an email or write us a letter. Whatever you prefer, just get a hold of us and we'll help you out. If you're looking for even more content from us, subscribe to our channel or check out one of these videos here. Thank you for watching. Now get back to work.